waiscdo Cats Paint by Number. This canvas and paint set both guide you to create a beautiful painting that you can hang in your house. Paint by yourself or with someone else. Here are the painting steps and guide. The painting apron, painting brushes, and hanging hardware. Take original canvas photos, you'll need them. My daughter loved helping me paint this. There are 36 colors in all, and trust me, plenty of paint.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Watch the painting come to life. My daughter and I had fun doing this. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.